Hi, it's Jan Diatri. Here's what's happening in the 1 Minute Kitchen. Can 5 ingredients create such a delicious dish? Oh yes, and gnocchi with asparagus come together in one pot of comfort. Here's what you'll need. 2 pounds of potato gnocchi, 2 bunches of asparagus, 2 green onions, 8 ounces of Parmesan, 8 ounces of mascarpone, and a little salt and pepper to taste. Cut the asparagus into 1-inch pieces and chop the green onions. Once your ingredients are prepped, it couldn't be easier than putting them all in one pot, starting with 2 cups of water, then the gnocchi, the asparagus, the green onions, mascarpone, and Parmesan cheese. Give it a pinch of salt and pepper, and that's it. Cook on medium heat for about 15 minutes, stirring very gently every so often until the gnocchi are cooked and the sauce thickens. That's it. Plate it up and top with a little Parmesan cheese, and make sure you have plenty of crusty bread on hand for soaking up all the goodness. Asparagus gnocchi, comfort food made easy. Thanks for watching the 1 Minute Kitchen. 1 Minute Kitchen proudly presented by these sponsors.